welcome to the Fantas Family channel. My name is Lorie, and in today's video, guys, we are going to interview Filipinas. Okay, this is another street interview here in the province of Camarines. So we are actually at Naga City, guys, and this video is, the title of this video is how old is too old for Filipinas? Okay, we will be talking about age gap today, guys. So if you are interested, so yes, guys, come on. What's your name?
Princess po.
Princess. That's very beautiful name. Nice to meet you, Princess. Okay, how old are you?
I am 21.
21. And are you single?
Yeah.
Yes. So Princess is working here at, what is this? Flowers and Beyond, right? Yes. Flower shop. Beautiful flowers. So here's the question, Princess. Does age really matter in a relationship?
For me, hindi naman.
No.
Yeah.
Why?
Kasi pag na-inlove ka, wala. Na-inlove ka eh. Parang ganun. Simpleng ano lang. Kasi kahit ilang taon pa yan, kapag gusto mo talaga siya, syempre, paglalaban mo.
That's true. So what Princess said is age doesn't matter because if you love the person, you really love the person, right? You will do everything for that person because you love the person. So since you said it doesn't matter, would you date a 65-year-old man?
It depends.
Depends. Depends to what?
If kilala ko na siya or kilalanin ko na muna, syempre, need kong malaman kung ano talaga yung intention niya, kung pure ba yun or hindi.
That's true. So what she said is, it depends if she knew that person and that person knew her, and she knew what his intentions, then yeah, go for it, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Would you ever date a foreigner, Princess?
For me, okay naman, pwede naman. Kung para siya sa akin, ganun lang kasi yun eh, simple lang. If para siya sa akin, edi sa akin siya. Saka kung kung hindi, okay lang.
Yeah, I love that answer. So Princess said that yeah, why not? Like if that person is for her, like that person is destined for her, then yes. Okay. Have you ever dated a foreigner before?
Hindi pa, never.
No. What's your name?
Sheena po.
Sheena, nice to meet you, Sheena. Okay, Sheena, how old are you? Come
18.
Here. You're 18. Okay, Sheena is 18 years old. Are you still studying?
Yes.
What? College?
Senior high.
Senior high. Okay. Sheena, here's the question. Are you single?
Yes.
Yes.
Single.
Okay. Wow. Okay. So, the second question is: does age really matter in a relationship? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, what's your age limit?
18.
18, like the same as your age. Oh, why?
Mas bet ko talaga pag kasing kaedad ko lang. Abo kong gurangso ko.
She doesn't like older men. She prefers someone like her age. Would you ever date a foreigner?
No.
No. Oh, why?
Nakakatakot.
Oh, she's scared. Why are you scared? Why are you scared? Are foreigners scary?
No.
No. Then why are you scared?
Mga lang, dahil ko lang talaga trip ang foreigner.
Oh, it's not her trip. Like she doesn't prefer foreigner. So you like Filipino better?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Well, thank you. Thank you for answering these questions. Okay, here we have. What's your name?
Annalisa po.
Annalisa. Nice to meet you, Annalisa. Okay, how old are you?
18 po.
18. Are you both like classmates? Wow. Okay. Here's the question. Are you single, Annalisa?
Yes po.
Yes, you are. Would you does age really matter in a relationship?
Yes po.
Yes. Okay. So what's your age limit?
19.
19. So a little older than you, right? Oh, why?
Mas gusto ko mas matured sa mas gurang po.
Oh, so Annalisa prefers someone that is older than her because that person is matured, right? So she likes matured. Okay, so that's why 19. Okay. Would you ever date a foreigner? Like, let's say 19-year-old foreigner? No. Why?
Teka lang po, trip man.
Oh, you don't like. Just like her. Ate, what's your name?
Daniela,
Daniela. Wow, that's a very nice name. Nice to meet you. How old are you, Daniela?
23.
23. Wow. Are you single?
May ka-live-in.
She has someone. She has a living partner. Okay, so Daniela, she's working here at what is this called? Pelungotrex, and that one. Yeah. Okay, so she's working here. Our baby is actually playing inside for 1 hour. She's going to play here for an hour. But um, do you think age really matter in a relationship?
No.
No. Oh, why?
Igo kayang pwedeng Bicol. Igo kayang ang edad na sa adult na pero ang isip immature pa.
Oh.
Kung sa relationship man lang, pagbabasehan ko ang mindset,
Mindset.
bako ang edad.
Oh, that's very smart to say that. Well, Daniela said that no, because there are some adults that they are immature. So if she's going to choose, she prefer the mindset, like she's going to someone that is matured, right? Okay, but you don't care about the age. Would you date let's say in the future, who knows, would you date a 65-year-old man?
I don't prefer.
You don't prefer 65. You prefer someone that is a little younger. Oh, okay. Would you ever date a foreigner in the future?
In case,
In case?
maybe.
Maybe. Okay. Have you ever dated a foreigner?
No.
Ate, what's your name?
Leslie po.
Leslie. Nice to meet you, Ate Leslie. How old are you?
24.
24. Okay, come on. She's so beautiful and then she's shy. Okay, you're working here, right? She's selling coconut juice and water and a lot of snacks. Are you single?
No, I'm taken.
You're taken. Okay. But here's the question. Do you think age matter in a relationship?
No.
No. Oh, why?
Kasi mas gusto ko yung mas may edad sa akin. Pero yung boyfriend ko, ako yung mas older sa kanya.
She said that she prefers someone that is older than her, but her boyfriend is younger than her. I think.
Mas matured kasi.
He's matured.
Oo.
Oh.
Kasi, hindi, para sa akin lang naman. Kasi mas yung relationship, di ba? Siya yung mas mag-handle. Kapag yung older, ko yung mas mag-handle.
Oh, okay. So, for her, it's because her boyfriend is mature than her. And then, she said that if she's older, that means she's the one who's gonna handle the relationship. Oh, okay. Well, would you ever date a foreigner in the future?
Magdi-date na?
Foreigner, in the future?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, I don't know, that means yes. Okay.
Depende.
Depend to what?
Depende pa nag-abroad. Joke lang.
It depends if she goes abroad. Okay. Well, you said no, right? So, would you ever date a 65-year-old? Would you consider dating a 65-year-old man?
Depende naman kasi po yan eh.
Depends.
Diba?
Depends to what?
Kung tinamaan ka ng pag-ibig, joke lang.
So she said, if you fall in love to that person, then yeah, it really depends, right? Age doesn't matter. That's what she's trying to say. Okay. Have you ever dated a foreigner like before?
No. Wala.
No. Okay, so Ate, what's your name?
Salvation po.
Salvation. Okay, nice to meet you. How old are you?
I'm 22.
20? 22. And where are you working?
Dito lang po sa Jaden Land.
She's also working here, guys. The same thing with Ate. I forgot her name. We interviewed her earlier. But are you single?
No po.
No, she's taken already, guys. But this is only for the interview, okay? Does age really matter in a relationship?
Yes po.
Yes. Oh. What's your age limit?
Medyo ahead sa akin yung lalaki. Mas okay kung 25 pataas.
25 up. Would you date a 65-year-old?
No.
So, like 25 up to what?
30.
30. Oh, okay. Have you ever dated a foreigner before?
No.
No. Would you date a foreigner in the future?
Pwede.
She said yes. Okay. Well, in case you will date a foreigner in the future, what country?
American.
America. Oh, wow. Okay, so you like Americans, right? Ate, what's your name?
Rose.
Rose. Nice to meet you, Rose. How old are you?
36.
36. Wow. You doesn't look like you're 36. She doesn't look like 36, guys. Are you single?
Yes, single.
Yes, you are. Okay. This is your work, right? Like she's selling cases of phone and cell phones, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Here's the question, Ate Rose. Does age really matter in a relationship?
No.
No. Oh. Okay. Why? Why no?
Hindi naman basihan ng edad basta.
If you love the person.
Yeah.
So Ate Rose said that age is not the basis. You know, if you love the person, then you love it. Like, even you love him, right? Okay. So since you said no, would you date a 65-year-old man?
65 para
Ate Rose, come here. Would you date a 65-year-old man?
depende. Parang hindi.
Oh, so no.
Kasi masyadong matanda na naman yung 65.
Oh, it's too old. Too old for
Pero
you.
mga 40 plus, okay lang yun.
Oh, 40 plus. Okay. I think even 50 because especially if like some foreigners, let's say foreigners, you know, 50 years old, they look young, right?
Pwede.
Yes. Ate Rose said, yeah. Okay. Have you ever dated a foreigner before?
No.
No. Oh. Okay. But would you date a foreigner in the future?
Maybe.
Maybe. Wow. Well, Ate Rose, thank you so much for having this interview with us.